Statement of death to be submitted by court of session for confirmation. The death penalty is the most severe punishment recognized under criminal law because of its irreversible nature. The law provides additional safeguards before a death sentence can be executed. One of the most important safeguards is the requirement that every death sentence awarded by a court of session must be submitted to the High Court for confirmation. The purpose of this provision is to ensure that the conviction and sentence are carefully scrutinized by a superior court before the punishment is carried out. Thus, a death sentence passed by a session court does not become operative immediately and cannot be executed unless it is confirmed by the High Court. Legal provision. The provisions relating to confirmation of a death sentence are contained in Section 454 of the BNSS 2023, corresponding to Section 366 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Object of the provision. The main objectives of requiring confirmation by the High Court are to provide an additional safeguard in capital punishment cases, to prevent miscarriage of justice, to ensure judicial scrutiny by a superior court, to protect the right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, to maintain fairness and accuracy in criminal adjudication. Procedure after passing death sentence. Submission of proceedings to the High Court under Section 454(1) of BNSS 2023. Whenever a court of session passes a sentence of death, the entire proceedings of the case must be submitted to the High Court without delay. The record transmitted to the High Court includes evidence recorded during trial, judgment of conviction, order imposing death sentence, relevant documents and proceedings. Death sentence not executable immediately. The sentence of death cannot be executed merely because it has been imposed by the Sessions Court. The law expressly provides that the sentence shall not be executed unless and until it is confirmed by the High Court. Thus, confirmation by the High Court is mandatory. Custody of the convicted person. According to Section 454(2) of the BNSS 2023, the court passing the sentence shall commit the convicted person to jail custody under a warrant pending the decision of the High Court. The accused remains in judicial custody until the confirmation proceedings are completed. Nature of confirmation proceedings. The confirmation proceedings before the High Court are not mere formality. The High Court independently examines the legality of the conviction, the sufficiency of evidence, the propriety of the sentence, whether the case falls within the rarest of rare category warranting capital punishment. The High Court may reappreciate the evidence and arrive at its own conclusions. Case law. Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab 1980. The Supreme Court held that the death penalty should be imposed only in the rarest of rare cases where the alternative option of life imprisonment is unquestionably foreclosed. Machi Singh versus State of Punjab 1983. The Supreme Court elaborated the principles governing the award of death sentence and emphasized the necessity of careful judicial scrutiny in capital punishment cases. Kehar Singh versus State, Delhi Administration 1988. The Supreme Court observed that the law provides multiple safeguards in death penalty cases, including mandatory confirmation by the High Court. Importance or significance. The requirement of confirmation serves several important purposes. Protection against wrongful execution, ensures review by a superior court, promotes fairness in criminal justice, upholds constitutional values, acts as a safeguard against judicial error. Given the irreversible nature of the death penalty, such safeguards are essential for ensuring justice. The requirement of submitting a death sentence for confirmation under Section 454 of the BNSS 2023 is vital safeguard in the criminal justice system. A death sentence awarded by a court of session cannot be executed unless confirmed by the High Court. This provision ensures thorough judicial scrutiny and protects the fundamental right to life by minimizing the possibility of wrongful execution.